So this started as a watercolor painting of three baseball legends, and honestly, I just wasn't feeling it. It never really came together the way I wanted to, so eventually it ended up in the reject pile, like many of my paintings, honestly. A few days later, I grabbed it again, not because I liked it, but because I needed something to mix paint on. So I started using the surface as a throwaway palette for acrylics. So no plan, no pressure, just wiping brushes, testing colors, and making a mess. Then a few days later, I happened to walk past it again. And I stopped because somehow the accidental version had more life than the original. And that's happened to me a lot over the years. The thing I almost threw away ends up being the thing I connect with the most. But here's the problem. The backside is a watermelon painting I did earlier, and honestly, I love this too. So now I've got two completely different paintings living on the same sheet of paper. And everybody in my house picked a different favorite.
Watermelon.
Baseball.
The watermelon.
The watermelon.
Baseball. So now I'm curious, which side would you keep, the watermelon or the legends? Let me know in the comments.